Plastic waste is everywhere, but did you know it's also a gold mine? All around the world, plastic recycling is a business opportunity that tackles pollution and turns waste into profit. By converting plastic waste to chairs, bottles, packaging, and more. Step 1. Partner with waste collectors to gather plastic bottles, bags, and containers. Sort them by type for recycling. Step 2. Process the plastic. Shred, wash, and melt it into pellets or flakes. These are valuable raw materials for manufacturers. Step 3. Sell the recycled plastic to manufacturers or create your own products, like furniture or packaging materials, and even paving and bathroom tiles. Plastic recycling isn't just good for business, it helps the environment and creates jobs. Plus, demand for recycled materials is growing. Want to join this booming industry? Contact us for an advisory session or a business plan. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.